On this episode of Corolla Customs, we're going to be doing the upper control arms. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Corolla Customs, and today we're going to be doing the upper control arms on my 2004 Chevy Avalanche. I took it to get an alignment. Apparently the alignment can't be done because on the upper control arms themselves there are some adjustment bolts that adjust the alignment, unfortunately mine lay on the upper control arms. So I'm gonna replace the upper control arms because they're kind of dry rotted anyway, the bushings, and I already have the set in my truck, so might as well just do it. Also, Lancelot, you're the winner of the DeWalt tool set. Please get in contact with me because I haven't heard from you since. So I'm going to give you 24 hours after the upload of this video to get in contact with me. If you do not, I have to give it to someone else, or I'm going to reuse it for another giveaway later on. So you don't want to miss it. You know, you want it, might as well take advantage of getting it. So please, comment under this video, comment under the winning video, comment under something. Just put your email address and I'll get in touch with you, or if you have Instagram, just DM me or something like that, because I kind of want to give you your gift, but you have 24 hours. Sorry, buddy. So yeah, we're gonna set up the truck and we're gonna take off the wheels and get started on the upper control arms. Use a ratchet with a 10mm socket to remove any cables surrounding the upper control arm. Pop off any clips on the control arm and lay them to the side. Use an 18mm wrench to remove the nut from under the knuckle. Use a hammer and hit the knuckle until the control arm releases itself. Wear safety glasses. Don't do what I do. Use a 21mm swivel socket to remove the nut on both sides. Do not lose the camber adjustment plates. Using a pry bar can help remove the control arm. Alright guys, so we finally got out the control arm, the upper control arm. Now we're going to put in the new one. I'm going to clean the area first so everything is sliding smoothly, grease up the ends, and put it up in. See you in a few. Install the grease nipple on the control arm and use a 7mm socket to tighten it in place. I take a pizza break as I wait for the rust penetrant to absorb in the control arm. So close to almost finishing this Avalanche. So close to getting it up to date with everything. We're gonna put in the rest. We're gonna put in the upper control arms. We have the axle to put in the other side because it's starting to leak. So I'm just gonna change it out one time. We gotta put in the oil pressure switch, the little filter. What else? There's a little few things here and there. We're gonna take a trip to Harry's U Pull-In PA real soon, sometime this week, maybe on Thursday. You'll join me. We'll go pull out some running boards. I just realized I need to get the spare tire jack and hook under the truck. I gotta get one of those, and I'll probably pick up a spare tire for this also. On top of that, I might also pick up side mirrors just in case mine go out. And if I can find a good driver's seat, I'll definitely take it. Because mine's torn, and if they're gonna sell me a whole seat for $60 versus me buying just the covering, the skin cover for $60, I'll just take the whole seat. So, yep. I apply anti-seize on everything, so the next time I remove it, it'll come out with ease. We begin by reinstalling our new control arm. I use a rubber mallet to help beat it in place. We then install the bolts and shim plates. I place the control arm in the knuckle. We then use a 21mm socket to retighten the bolts. We use an 18mm ratchet wrench to tighten the control arm on the knuckle. We then reinstall all the hoses and lines with a 10mm socket. We place the grease gun on the nipple and pump away. Alright guys, so that is everything. That is how you do the upper control arms on the Chevy Avalanche. I hope this video was good enough for you. I'm sorry if I wasn't able to get the best angles. I tried. It's hard to do it by yourself. But yeah, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to this channel. Also hit the bell notification on the top so you can be up to date with all my latest videos. Also, please like and comment under this video and let me know if you want to see anything else. Thank you all for watching. You know, I really enjoy this and I'm really going to try to make videos every day, even if it's just about random stuff, just so you guys can have something to go on every day. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate everything that you guys do for me, and I'll see you next time.